Hello, this is one of my latest sorters. I modified this to sort live ammunition. A couple of customers asked for this, and so the modifications I made to the machine is I reduced the size of the hopper so we don't have a weight problem with live ammo. Get it too heavy, it would tip the machine backwards. And also the hopper's designed for this amount of weight. And also I extended the bucket stands up and use these totes to limit the distance that the ammunition falls into the totes in this case instead of the buckets, just to limit the possibility that you would have a one ammo or one bullet setting off another bullet. So I'll turn it on and let you see it run. So as you can see, it sorts just like the live ammo, just like it does the brass cases that it was designed for. So it works really well. Anyway, if you're not familiar with my machines, this is my brass sorter, but modified to sort ammo. And so you can check out my website at gsmachines.com to see all my machines. Take care.